Still southbound now, 114th and Pine, I believe. And they won't, we've got about 55 or 60 miles an hour, still continuing southbound 114th Street. Approaching center, passing over, approaching center.
There's clear 148.
Hey, did you say another ground unit en route?
Yes, 117's en route.
Tom 24, I'm just getting off center. Well, 680 on the center now.
There's clear 148.
Abe 1, he just turned eastbound on center.
That's true, 1 bigger 27.
Tommy, that's going to be him right in front of you. Just crossing under 680. Eastbound, center still.
One bigger 13, we're southbound 72nd Street, going towards center.
Southbound 108.
1 bigger 27, you can call your NBC.
We're clear.
149.
Sam Victor King 637. The plate. Southbound 108. Refusing to stop. Able 1, do you have it?
Abe 1, we have a southbound 108th Street. Coming up to Olin. Continuing south. We have the pursuit.
Here's clear merge traffic calling.
I lit him up and I'm backing off now.
Still southbound, just went past Grover.
Command 28-1, how many party inside the vehicle?
Abe 1 was up for us. Southbound just went over 80. Abe 1 still southbound coming up to I Street. Looks like they're going to try and turn, but they're going too fast. You're going to be continuing southbound on 108th.
Hey, well, that's clear. Can you give a visual on how many parties are in the vehicle?
Negative.
24, I couldn't see. It was too dirty.
Our vehicle's registered at 7225 Washington Street, 7225 Washington Street, a silver 2004 Oldsmobile Alero.
Abe 1, the red bulb at L Street, southbound still. Showing like they may go east. And Abe 1, they're eastbound on L Street. And they're really picking up now at a little higher speed.
Radio, can you notify Ralston?
That's clear. County dispatch has been notified. Air's clear for merge traffic calling.
And Abe 1, we've gone about 90 miles an hour now, eastbound on L Street, approaching 96th.
On 1, he continued eastbound 9.
Abe 1, we have the pursuit. He's eastbound L Street.
Alright, back off.
Abe 1's going to be coming up to 84th Street. Looks like he's trying to go south. However, when he comes up on the intersections, he's going too fast. Abe 1, he's just throwing something out just west of 84th Street, and then crossed over, hit the median, and is now southbound in the northbound lanes on 84th Street. And A1, he's still southbound and northbound lanes, making the other vehicles yield to him. He's crossed over now back to the southbound lanes, and is continuing southbound 84th Street. Coming up to Q Street, still southbound 84th. So he's going to be going westbound on Q Street, westbound on Q, and he's been disregarding all the traffic lights.
Object was thrown out just west of 84th Street, just west of 84th Street.
It is hot and about the size of a firearm, from what we can tell.
Air Command 4, do you want the channels patch southwest to northwest?
A1, he's, so he tried to go northbound. He's going to be continuing westbound 93rd Street.
Well, making what I'm going to try and parallel L Street going back to west.
A1, he's northbound 96th Street now from Q. Northbound 96 from Q.
Lincoln 1, I'm at 96 now. Try and get south 6 of it.
Northwest and southwest.
I missed his turn. He's trying to get on Mockingbird Drive, and he's going to be going eastbound.
Lincoln 1, I'll just stand by here.
Eastbound Mockingbird, passing 94th Street.
To 81st, we have you on the item.
A1, looks like he's going to bail. He's about the 9200 block of Mockingbird. He's stopped, and passenger and driver running southbound through the snow. Looks like an open field.
Command 4 star K9. Commander 1's route 84 now.
A1, they're splitting up now. The first party is stopped about half a block south of their vehicle. The second party just tossed something else out, and he's continuing to run southbound. Let me try and get an address for you. He's at 4916 South 91st. Cruiser stop. Who's southbound? Cruiser stop. And he's going to be just to your west.
This is 1 out of 12. Where's he at from here?
He should be at this house right to your right-hand side, the cruiser who's on the north.
79, I'm in 401. Is he in that house? My house?
We've got two officers who are one in the sidewalk and one in the street. So the officer who's in the street, he's just to the west of you.
Okay, 91's almost there. 79, the greenhouse. The tracks go through the backyard and go to the front yard of the greenhouse. 78, I'm taking one into custody under the trees. Where's the other party?
April 1, you have contact with that second party.
April 1, which party, are we taking the one into custody who's at the house, or who's, just south of the vehicle?
'72 to April 1. We're at that house. We don't see him. He must have went inside.
Okay, April 1, we never saw him come back around that side of the house. We were on our orbit, but we did not see him come back to the street from that house.
Claire, can you advise where you saw the second party throw the property?
It's in the backyard of the house that all the cruiser officers are on, and it's right behind a small, actually it's going to be the house to the north, and it's right behind a small shed across the fence. This property looks a little larger. I'm not exactly sure what it is.
81. I have my strobe on. Am I near that property?
To the vehicle driving in the rear of the residences, it's going to be about 10 yards straight ahead of you. You're walking right towards it.
We got that party here. It's amplifier to stereo.
Clear.
I got one in custody.
I said 71 party in custody. Any other
Party split in the backyard of the house. Command 20 to radio. How many parties do you have so far? One or two?
I believe we only have one. The second party went around a residence. Everyone said they did not see them come back out to the street.
Clear.
72, we're making contact at 4916 South 91st Street. 4916 South 91st Street, where we last saw the footprints. Appear that they entered in this house.
I said 4916 South 91st Street. Attempts to make contact. Airstrike alert from emergency traffic calling 201.
Everyone, were we ever able to get the property off of, I believe it's Q Street or L Street?
Command 4, dispatch someone to find that item.
Clear 117.
75, we're in route.
A1 radio, if you could go back in the log, I can't exactly remember. It may be the southwest corner of 84th and L, but otherwise we'll have to look back at our camera.
A1, that's clear. Actually, it was thrown out just west of 84th Street and L, just west of 84 and L Lincoln. I believe one of them 17 asked about the location, was stopping.
That's clear. If we don't have that item, if someone could just let us know right away before it cools off, then we won't be much help finding it once it's cool.
I said any units in the area of 84 and L Lincoln Street attempt to locate the property, advise your number.
Command 4, 1 to 2. 1 to 2, 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 1 to 2. We're in 84 now.
Understood. You clear property supposedly just west.
We're clear.
Area 1, Command 4.
Command 4.
Can we go ahead and remove the patch?
Yes, are we staying on 1 or 4?
We'll go ahead and have everyone remain on 1 for now. I believe all Southwest cars are over here on the event. All units switch to channel 1 on the event from 11355 Evans Street, now in the area of 97th and, correction, 91st and Mockingbird Drive. Again, switch to channel 1 northwest. Taking down the patch, still 203.
Command 4.
On Command 4.
Send me a car to Mockingbird so they could probably tow this suspect vehicle.
Therefore, that's understood. Any units able to go and assist in towing the vehicle, 911 and Mockingbird, advise your number.
Kennedy, I'm down here at 91st or 93rd and O. I'm having formal problems.
On Command 8, that's understood. 6204.
8-1 to the officers at 84 and L.
75.
75, could you guys go back to the median and look just on the east side of the median, on the kind of the north end of the tip, I guess?
We're going to the north side of 84th by the median. Just being advised. Side, he looks like he hit a parking sign and there's a license plate. I don't know if that's what you saw or not.
I'm sorry, go back to your south. The north side of the median that runs north-south that splits the south side of 84th. Right where the vehicle ran over the median.
Good.
Just on the east side there, we have something. Yeah, I'll be right behind you. It must be nothing. It's just it's right by the median.
A license plate.
Negative, north of there, 10 feet. Right by the north officer to his left. Yeah, it must be nothing. I'm not sure what it is.
Quick.
Command 8,